My Sweetheart Valentine is an open challenge to make a sweet card for someone. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. So hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of hot chocolate, tea, or whatever your choice of beverage may be, and check out my sweet card for somebody special. And you'll find something else that's really special. I decided to make cards for the veterans in my state. They are often the forgotten ones who have given their service to our country. So today, I want to spotlight them and show them some love. I will show you my Valentine card that I made special for the veterans. In addition, I will show short snippets of the cards the women in the card making scrapbooking group made. So hang on to your seats as we move along. DIY number 1, special Valentine card for veterans. The supplies needed include A2 card and envelope, red, white, and blue striped cardstock paper, Happy Valentine's Day and Thinking of You stamp, black ink, a heart punch, gold stars, double-sided tape, and pop-ups. I belong to PEO, which is a philanthropic educational organization helping women. And they asked if anyone wanted to take on the challenge of making Valentine cards for the veterans. Of course, I jumped at the challenge, and many thanks to you. I also belong to a paper crafting group that get together once a month to make cards or scrapbook. I asked them to make at least 10 cards for the veterans, and wow, they stepped up to the plate and helped me. In the end, I had over 80 cards. A shout out to the beautiful card making scrapbooking group of women that helped with this endeavor. So now on to how I made my Valentine card. I had purchased some cards from the Dollar Tree last year. They were 20 cards and envelopes for $1.25, and I purchased 3 packs. And you cannot beat that. That is, I think, a pretty good deal. And I also put it to very good use. I used my heart punch to make an open heart in the middle of each card. And I did this to about 40 cards. In addition, I punched 40 red hearts to put on the outside of each card. Then I punched 40 red, white, and blue hearts from the Star Spangled Banner paper. Now it's time to put this simple card or project together. I used pop-ups to raise the red heart on the outside of the card. And I kind of put it just slightly to the left and above the punch that I did to the paper on the outside. Then I opened up the card and placed the red, white, and blue heart where the punch out is in the front, so that your little opening of the heart in the front of the card, I put the red, white, and blue on the second page, and I just put double-sided tape on the back of it and put that right in the window. So When you look at the card, you see a red heart to your left that's on a pop-up, and you see a red, white, and blue in the middle of the punch-out. On the outside of the card, I stamped Happy Valentine's Day. And on the inside of the card, I stamped Thinking of You. Then I thought a gold heart would be the icing on the heart to men and women who deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. My Sweetheart Valentine card is an open challenge hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Barbie Daly's Rural House in the Valley, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Our Gray House, and me, z9designs. Make sure you use the hashtag ValentineCard25. I had so much fun making this project, and I hope that you would give me some support and like, save, subscribe, and comment. Crafting is very satisfying, and I do both paper crafting and other crafting projects. I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments, and I love each and every one of you. And remember, spread peace and love for all mankind. See you later. Bye-bye.